Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is Asana and the second one is Slack. We will go through some pros and cons, some advantages, and I'll tell you more about these two. Then we'll check the pricing plans and also we'll try to find out which one is better from the other. So let's start with Asana. Asana is online team collaboration and workflow management tool. Organize your work in the best way possible to follow tasks through and be able to avoid obstacles to meet deadlines. Asana's boards let you visualize your work and arrange all your relevant emails and files into one place. Use Asana's portfolios to monitor the status of all your projects and keep your strategic initiatives on track and easily report on progress. Its custom fields allow you to keep track of info important to the team and share the information with the right people. Commonly used projects can be turned into templates to ensure your team workflow moves more smoothly and faster. Asana's web interface is efficient and responsive, and it can be integrated to other collaboration tools like Slack, for example. But not only Slack. It can be Salesforce, it can be basically ClickUp, anything you like. So you can just go with Asana's subscription, for example, and use some features from Slack as well. But that works vice versa, for example, through Zapier. Support works for Asana online in the business or in business hours, and it's meant to be for small, medium, and large enterprises. You can install the app on Mac and Windows as well. So when we check the Asana, you can go why Asana and learn even deeply or dive deeply into Asana's UI and the background. Then we have the features, and you can check it out, resources, and also pricing that we are very interested in. So we can start with a basic one, which is free. You get unlimited essentials. You get 3 project views, list board and calendar views, basic workflow, basic reporting, security essential, community support. Then we have premium, which we are stepping into paid industry. I mean, it's $10.99 per month billed annually or $13.49 monthly. So even if you want to start with a premium and you just want to try it out in the paid version, you don't have to subscribe for 1 year, but you can go with 1 month only. You have unlimited essentials, 4 project views, automated workflows, reporting, scaled security, community support. Then business, for teams and companies that need to manage work across initiatives, $24.99 and $30.49 if you want to use it monthly. So you get everything unlimited that I mentioned before. Unlimited essentials, project and portfolio views, advanced workflows, advanced reporting, scale, security, and stuff like that. Now let's check the Asana. The Asana inside is very clear. There's nothing too shiny, there's nothing not to be transparent. You can easily create tasks like this. You can easily complete them and invite people. As you can see, I'm using 30 days trial. You can easily write someone, you can easily start a new project. Everything is very intuitive. It's very easy to do. With Asana you can't really go wrong, but it's a bit expensive. But let's compare it to the Slack. Slack is a communication and workflow solution designed for teams. Using Slack, you can set up channels which can be around any theme, project, client, or department. You can invite people to join these channels or make them private, and people can leave whenever they want. With Slack's search functionality, You can quick skip to past communication. You can also start conversation to add them to your favorites and allow you to quickly access them again in the future. Slack threads allow people to carry on the conversation in a separate place, rather than cluttering up the channel with their responses. With Slack, you can share PDFs, images, videos, and GIFs, and you can mention one individual or multiple people within channels to get their attention. You can also direct message people when you want to have one-to-one conversation, and quickly add more people to that conversation if you need more opinions. It's very easy, very nice to work around with Slack, because despite the Asana, it's just communication tools. Communication tool, like for example Discord, if you're familiar with that. It's meant to be for small, medium, even large companies, for freelancers, and obviously the app you can install on your PC as well. Very common way to do this, it's pay Asana subscription and then integrate it with a Slack. As you can see in here, this is my room. You can basically start this one from the scratch, and I have to say it's very similar to, let's see, Discord in here. So as you can you also have the channels on the left, then you can start talking with the people and stuff like that. So it's very similar, very good, very intuitive, and you can't go wrong with Asana if you want to use it just to talk. We have a couple of options with the Pro, Business Plus, and Enterprise Grid. So Pro starts with $625 annually, $650 monthly. Business Plus $1175, and Enterprise you are basically have to ask or write down to Slack if you're interested, and they will tailor the option for you, so you don't have to basically go it through yourself, or if the Business Plus is not enough for you, or Pro Plus or Pro is not enough for you, you can go with Enterprise Grid, but you have to contact them and they'll check back with you just to basically find out which one is the best for you. And that's what I strongly advise you to do. You also can also go with free version, so easily you can find out if that's the one for you. So it's really hard to compare them, because one is just a communication tool and the second one is whole CRM. But I would actually integrate Asana with a Slack and get the most of both of them. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please write down it into the comments. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.